Sit down. Yeah. Lame bitches in the bed.
Pull up to the club, red bottom, bag, money.
It's a million bags at the motherfucking party.
Good morning vlog. It's your girl Kiara, and I'm back with another freaking video. If you read the title, you already know we doing some unboxing. I'm telling y'all, I've had some stuff like for at least a week now, and I've been waiting to do this video. So you're welcome, because I've been wanting to open this really bad. But anyways, before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because it seems to me that y'all forgetting to subscribe, but I know I'll be saying subscribe. So subscribe. Okay, and yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. I think I want to use some of these products today. I am going to a wedding that starts in like I'm so good. It's 7:34 in the morning right now, and the wedding starts at 10, but I still got clearly stuff to do. I gotta recurl my hair. I just got out the shower, so I gotta recurl my hair, pin it back up to make sure my bun looking good. Like, we gotta do some stuff, and I still gotta do makeup. Yeah, but look at the lashes. Let's get into the lashes. Your girl is back. I just got a feel Friday. Yeah, so anyways, but let's go ahead and get into this video. So we're gonna start with my Fenty, all my Fenty. So let's go ahead and get started. So I end up getting the New Heat Fenty lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. I got two colors. I'll insert it here, or I'll tell you when I open it. Wait. Yeah, what the fuck? I think somebody got my... Yeah, this... Okay, y'all, I am back. Yes, I curled my hair because I came from outside and it was too frizzy. But I still got to do the back, but I just needed the front to look good for y'all. But anyways, I got my package, y'all. This is my package. So I'm gonna have to return whoever package that is. I didn't see a unit number, so I have to figure it out. But that's not my package, and I almost got scared because I'm like, bro, don't tell me they switched our packages. Like, please don't tell me that. But this is my package. It was in the mailbox. I had to look at my email, and it said that it was delivered to the mailbox. But anyways, long story short, we got our fucking package. So let me show you what I got here. So I got the Lemon Lava Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip plus Plumper. And then I also got the Glass Slipper Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip plus Plumper. So we're gonna try them. This one is the Lava. This is the, hold on, I got it upside down. This is the packaging. Excuse my nails. And then it's the color Lemon Lava. So I probably won't wear this one for sure. I'll probably wear the other one because the look I'm going for, it's well, my shoes are gonna be like a new, well, we'll see once the makeup comes. So this is the packaging. This is what it looked like. Oh my gosh, it's giving so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's me really trying to look to see if I got a lot of lip gloss in here or if she be scheming. I love me some Rihanna, don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm Navy. But anyways, let's try this on. I have some thing I thought I brought me some now. Okay, so let's try this on. Let me wipe my Carmex off. Okay. And we're gonna try it. This is the lemon lava. First of all, packaging A1. Like I love this. Ooh, and it's thick. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay. Yeah, and it's super thick. Look at that. It smells so good. Okay, let me bring y'all a little close. No, this is cute. This is cute. And I like this because I love a clear. I'm getting into like color lips, but I'm a clear girl. But it's giving but this has like the hint of the gold glitter in it. And I can feel the plumper already working, which I don't need no plumper because my lips are already big enough. But you can never go wrong with some juicy lips. Yeah, but what y'all think? I definitely love the lemon lava. And it might be a look with my outfit. Do y'all want to see my outfit? Maybe not. Okay, so that one was the lemon lava. So the next one is the one that I really wanted because it was the new one. That she had just came out with. And that is the Glass Slipper Heat. You see the packaging. Like, and when I say that's a plumper because my lips are still tingling to this day. Okay. Ooh, so this is what that looks like. And this is just a regular clear plumper lip gloss. Just wow. Look at that one. That one swipe got my lips shining. And I ain't couldn't even put no more on because look at that one. That got my lips shining. What y'all think? I'm in love with this. This is probably what I'm gonna wear. I don't know. I might add some color. My dress that I'm wearing is purple. The wedding color is purple. So that's probably what I'm gonna wear. I'm not sure yet. We'll see once I do my makeup and how the look turns out or whatever. But yes, y'all, this is my two items that I got from Fenty Beauty. I also bought the Parfume, the Rihanna Parfume. So we're gonna try it. Now, my boyfriend thinks I am literally crazy. Well, everybody probably thinks I am. Ooh, I'm gonna blur that out. You know, like a little flap to open these up, like nothing. Like, why am I using my muscles early this freaking morning? I didn't see you think that. So, just throwing everything out. So, I end up getting the Fenty Parfume with the scarf because they were the same price and if just a regular perfume or a perfume with scarf, why wouldn't I get a Fenty scarf? Because wait, duh. So this is how it came wrapped. I'm nervous, y'all, but I'm also so excited. So starting off, the scarf is cute. The fact that they made it wrinkle, I don't like that. But the scarf is cute. I don't know what I will do with it, but we will figure it out. It has Fenty in the corner of it. But yeah, I don't like that they made it wrinkly, but we'll figure out what we'll do with the scarf. I don't know. I thought it was going to be a little bigger so I can make it as a headscarf or maybe one of the, but we'll see. Anyway, so this is how it comes in this package. Y'all, I am just so excited. I'm scared because I don't know if this is going to smell good or because it's been a lot of mixed reviews and I've been like really hesitant on getting it. And then I was just like, I'm trying to up my collection in my perfume collection. So I was like, forget it. It's Rihanna. Go big or go home. If I don't like it, I'll probably give it to my mom. So yes, that's the packaging it comes in. And this is what it looks like. Cue music. No, I'm playing. For real though. This is like giving elegant, like it's giving bad bitch. Like, okay, I was so scared, but let's go ahead because I gotta start getting ready. Okay. Let's initial. Okay, so it's not gonna, of course, until we spray something. We just gonna spray the scarf. Let it fan. Oh my gosh. It smells like, oh my gosh, it is, okay, so some reviews are like spot on. It's like a floral scent, and I love floral scent, but it's also like I don't know. It's like when it first hits you, it's a different, but then as it lingers, oh my gosh. This smells so freaking good. Or is it okay, I had to make sure it wasn't my lip gloss. Oh my God. This smells so good. And I'm going to do what Rihanna do. She sprayed it like 10, 15 times. Because I want to walk. Ooh, you smell good. That's what I want. I want, ooh, like as soon as I walk, it's another one that they said that she wear together. I'm going to find it and I'm probably going to order it and I will do a sample. I'll do an initial review online. On YouTube for y'all. So, yeah. I love it. Like, I was really scared that I might because, like, Trey and, like, my coworkers, I was telling them I bought it, and they was like, you should have did a sample. You should have did a sample. And I'm just like, it's Rihanna. I know it smells good. And I was right. Oh, my gosh, y'all. I literally love it. Okay, so that is it. I do have 2 more packages, but I'm gonna do it on a different YouTube. So yeah, so if you like this YouTube, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Let your girl know because your girl do be shopping. I just don't be showing y'all. So if that's something y'all want to see, let me know. Also, I did do my hair. It's looking quite a mess because after I got out the shower, we gonna redo that. But yeah, if this is something y'all want to see, let your girl know. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. And yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.